Kular Kapatisi TV. Ka Little Flower Higher Secondary School kapadon hakasinang Mawbri Ribhoy District hakasitarek urisau arjar arpsan kalapin kudno ya ka jingraki dap sanpau Snem jongka school kaba ajihika ya ki khana pulia saudong kisinong kibakir tawyar ya kasinang Mawbri ha kanikasi la sakilang do menteri rangba kejela u Konrad ki sangma u bala longkum kongsan u MLA ko umroy u ba daman bad lamari u bala longkum usumbut kongsan u principal jongka school u father Balestine Marbanyang u MDC ko umroy u ba isne hing ki officer ki noigai lembat ki khana barim Nakaliang chung menteri rangba ulapan bana buun samang pisa arpsan lak sa school baki bor peniat Kynjoh banshana ya ka ying school kapapaka nakabenta ban ajika ya ki khana school
Kepuar kenanglah habadai buat kumno ban betul nanti api kepuar nak benda kumno bapin syam ya kecingkit kulit ban long ki kena ki bandang ya kejinang jing sta ha kapule ha katho kator ban pai syakat kadam ban long kinang jot kam long ke kam ke besuk hi kom ki kena skul ki badan benda hamne yang ni banyak sakit berpi berkini kinuksa je mengapu syafaat. Tolong mabiru kikuan. Jom kini kadang kathan ribai kami. Balong kita ki kena ibu pulia. Ban mik syafaat ban minat haki jing pulia ki jompi. Ba nang ba ek babi hi pelak ya kapar ki jompi. Kom ki kena skol. Tanam lang bijayai. Tan ban syapul ladai ya ka jinggan diam jami mai pa jombi handai ban pelat ya ka jing pule ka jombi ya ka jing minat na ka ban ban yo ban khet ya jing job ha ka jinggan ka jombi aswai pi kene ka jing pasur kon ki kena skol ha ka pule ka poti ha kene ki si jini bata ka jing pule ka ndaya tan ka curricular Ilar punya sim benda ha ka curricular activities bape lemba ka jimbitility John Kynjoh kai.
Snem. Pengikirman sekian dulu. Haki por kismi di bansawan. Hena yosu so pan rekre. Jaga jindap Snem. Jongkani ke school, jongkani ke property, kepada jongkani ke surang Mawbri ke jongi. Ngalet sekian dulu. Bana por jongkani ke school. The Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Kira bangga, kita school kita pas ni kita ayo akan ngam ke betul, agak jingin ke jangki. Hado, kita meeting, di kerajaan, di reunion, di sesar, di father, di doktor, di advocate, di profesor, kita terus shadow support. United States, USA, kita Kita ada mil pas negeri terpilih ke school Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Ada kecil sekali, jauh Little Flower Higher Secondary School. Dan nang perlu sosok, jadi kena kita ni harus sab terpilih beli dari beli itu betul hati buat mesti agak jingin kejongki. Ia kerja sekali tu, begini kita pro. जब गरे गठन भी हो कि IAS कि IPS कि IFS कि दोन भाग हुई रही कि बस हमें नपा करने के स्कूल Little Flower Higher Secondary School आखिर तौर मुस्लिम की बंसवान हाथ मारे होने के पर मैंने बंश बंद कंटेन बंटन तंग जिन कुत्तें जिन कुत्तें या बारह के कितना स्कूल की बिपुले है तो करने का स्कूल तेलन की बेत्रेशुतन Ya kalau kam berfitre telon kita tresutan met saying that long kita kurang yang long hindai ke jampi
to change and to improve the overall education sector. In the last 7 years, thousands of crores have been invested for the education sector, where government school buildings, government colleges, government secondary, higher secondary schools, almost 90% of them have either been renovated or been given new buildings. Large number of schools have been supported with funds, whether in the form of ad hoc grants or whether in the form of deficit grants, where Meghalaya may be one of the only states in the entire country, and especially in the northeast, where we provide direct grant and support to private schools. You will be surprised to know that in states like Nagaland, in states like Mizoram and other smaller states in the northeast, government do not provide any grant to private schools. Whereas in Meghalaya, we are providing grants to over 7,000 schools, amounting to 1,200 crores every year in terms of salary grant. This speaks volumes of the kind of support and commitment that we have towards education. Just this morning, one of the important meetings I had was with the Association of the Ad Hoc School Teachers. As you know, they have been agitating for some time regarding their salaries. I met them today. I spent almost an hour and a half speaking to them. I understood their problems. I have always been very, very sympathetic and empathetic towards the concerns of the teachers. We have helped them in the past, but now we are working towards creating a much more stronger and a better mechanism to support the ad hoc teachers. I'm sure that with the decision that we took today, a very, very positive direction will be there for the ad hoc school teachers and also the other categories of teachers which fall under private schools but grant in aid being given by the government. We're working on a solution, and very soon the details of that will be out. But we had a very positive meeting, and I'm hopeful that with this decision we will actually see some sort of a permanent solution to the problem of ad hoc school teachers in our state. Having said that, I must appreciate the contribution that has been made by the Catholic Church, the missionaries, and also other churches and other denominations when it comes to education. We have always seen that our priests, our sisters, our brothers, and all those leaders of our faith have always dedicated themselves to the service of mankind. The education and the quality and the passion with which they have served the students, they have served the children, they have served the citizens of this region, of our state and of the country, is something that we must all appreciate. Therefore, I would like to especially give my sense of appreciation to the Catholic Church, the mission, all the fathers and sisters who have dedicated their life to our younger generation. I'm very happy also to announce that based on the memorandum that you've given to me, I cannot maybe give enough to be able to complete the project that you desire, but every long journey starts with a step. And I've always seen that when it comes to these kind of works and decisions, our fathers and our priests are one of the most efficient and best at ensuring that once they take a decision, they start the work. They know that God will bless them and God will bless us, and we will reach the destination that we have planned. But it must have the courage and the decision to start that journey. So I'm very happy today that the principal and our sister who announced this project about the new school building. I'm so happy that this decision has been taken. Father, I promise you that we will be with you and we will work together to see that this building is completed and we are fulfilling this particular desire and decision that you have taken. So to start the first step from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I'm happy to announce a fund of 25 lakh rupees to be donated by me for the starting of this building. I know it's not enough, but we will work together and we will ensure that we are able to successfully complete it.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.